Hi everyone, I'm Alfredo Renga from the University of Naples, Italy. This brief presentation is on radio mission concept aimed at implementing the principle of distributed synthetic aperture radar from space by CubeSat platforms. A distributed synthetic aperture radar is basically a synthetic aperture radar working with several to many transmitters and receivers embarked on different platforms. In this context, the term formation flying SAR can be used with reference to a cluster of receivers flying in a close formation. The focus is thus on the receivers, where each unit can be assumed to independently collect bistatic raw data. We want to use this idea to complement a pre-existing monostatic SAR mission with bistatic capabilities, but we want to do this using very compact platforms such as CubeSats. The CubeSats are self-sufficient from the point of view of their payload. That is, each CubeSat as an isolated item is able to use an opportunity illuminator to generate bistatic SAR images. However, because of the low swap characteristics of CubeSat platforms, the achieved performance by these bistatic images is not compliant with operational usage and applications. Nonetheless, if one combines the raw data collected by each receiver in a coherent way, a single high-performance image can be generated by the entire cluster, characterized by a quality which is similar to that of the monostatic transmitter. This bistatic image can be compared to the monostatic one to achieve some specific applications. This is the key idea of radio mission concept submitted the last year to the first Italian Space Agency call for future CubeSat missions. My department is the prime of the project. Our team includes some big players like Thales Alenia Space Italy and Telespazio, high technology small enterprises, and a number of research centers. The proposal passed both technical and the economic review, and it is now in the restricted list of missions the Italian Space Agency shall fund for Phase AB activities. The transmitter in radio will be the pre-existing Platino SAR, currently under realization, which will be the first Italian SAR on a microsatellite platform. Radio has a twofold goal. From one side, the in-orbit technological demonstration of the formation flying SAR concept. From the other side, the delivery of high-quality bistatic SAR images for downstream applications. This is an illustration of some radio features and candidate products derived by literature examples. We can see the matching of SAR images collected with short time lag that is useful for maritime monitoring, the capability to measure landslide displacement rate and direction vector fields, for instance by pixel offset analysis, and the exploitation of radar gravimetric techniques in high relief regions. Radio mission is very challenging in terms of technological advances required to realize a distributed SAR based on CubeSat platform. For this reason, the mission segments of radio were conceived to maximize the utilization of commercial off-the-shelf and space-qualified technology to reduce the mission risks where possible. Each CubeSat is designed to receive bistatic SAR echoes and to download bistatic raw data to ground, to fly information with the other elements of the cluster and with the transmitter, and finally to guarantee routine satellite operations and tasks. The common design driver is thus the miniaturization. In this framework, a preliminary estimation of the volume per each unit has been carried out, as shown in the table. The main result is that a 12U CubeSat can be considered as the reference platform for radio. Concluding, radio is a challenging mission concept, taking advantages of the latest development in compact space technologies and advanced SAR techniques to demonstrate new SAR-derived products. We are thus eager to start project activities and we look forward to updating you about mission in the next ESA events.